Thanks for your time today. Would you please explain a little bit more, about the company, yourself, and the products that you're having?
Yeah, my name's Nick Parton. I'm a sales manager for the Middle East and Africa region for a company called Megger Limited. Megger have been manufacturing electrical test and measurement equipment for over 125 years now. We invented the insulation tester many, many years ago and have brought several new products to the market during that time. So we're very much the world leader in electrical test and measurement. One of our newest products that we're showing here today is the latest version of our Sverker product, which was the original product manufactured by our factory in Sweden. It's a multifunction substation test equipment giving you very easy control over voltage, current and frequency to be able to test many applications and items within the substation. And the novelty with this model, we've sold over 20,000 Sverkers now, and the latest model is a three-phase version. Previously, engineers were quite well served with a single-phase model, but the modern digital protection relays are getting more and more complicated and need a three-phase source for testing. So the latest innovation here, three-phase Sverker for multifunction testing within a substation. Very much the engineer's toolbox. Okay, the next product perhaps to focus on is from what you might call the range that we're most famous for, which is the insulation test range. This is a 15 kV insulation resistance tester with very high noise immunity. This 8 milliamps of noise rejection is more than anything anybody else is able to offer. And there's a particular substation in the world that all the manufacturers go to test their equipment. That's the only one that ever worked. Okay, it's a phenomenal piece of kit. The biggest launch we've got here this week is what we call the Trax. The Trax is a multifunction substation and transformer test kit for testing power transformers, for testing CTs, VTs, circuit breakers, and also line impedance. It features a very low weight. The engineer can actually carry this on an aeroplane with him. It's the only thing on the market that will actually fit in. You can actually carry as carry-on luggage on a plane. It saves you having to ship in advance. And unique within this type of product is that you can also do circuit breakers, which is a feature that hasn't been offered before from other test sets. So, very exciting piece of kit, which is developed again by our Swedish factory. Very nice, easy control screen, very much a modern control featuring different applications, apps if you like, so that the engineer can quickly go to the particular test that he wants to do. And finally, the other new product we've got here is the what we call the smart relay test set. Again, very small and lightweight for this particular type of instrument, but with very high power. Full three-phase control through this nice, easy-to-use touchscreen here, which gives an engineer a nice interface to be able to easily test the most complicated protection relays. Also to test the communications protocol, the IC 61850 within the substation. So those are the main products that we're launching here. The final one, I suppose, is the partial discharge test system. We've got here combined technology in one voltage source unit here, which gives you both VLF and DAC voltage and provides for partial discharge analysis, which is fully automated. Saves hours in terms of evaluating the partial discharge results and gives the engineer a very quick interpretation of the condition of his cables and his joints. Essential for people, for utilities that want to know the condition of their cables and their networks. And using the similar type of technology, also up to 270 kV, the high voltage damped AC test systems, safely assuring your network is what we provide for the utilities. Great, thank you very much.